guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and today's video we are going to be looking at email marketing with My Legion Secrets. This is my April review, my April results. I just wanted to share with you guys every single month how it's going. You do get weekly videos from me, but this channel, guys, is all about affiliate marketing tips that can help you pave the way forward for your dreams to come true. So basically concrete steps and tips that you can use, implement in your affiliate marketing journey, but you can use it in anything related to marketing as well. I want to focus on affiliate marketing, so that's why I'm going to be talking about that. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, specifically every single week that I talk about email marketing and My Legion Secrets also, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification below. Added to which, I am going to say, guys, there is a link to my Facebook group. If you're interested in getting some support personally from myself, please do answer the questions. My Facebook group is there. You can join at any point of time, and I have a whole series for you guys to go through the training completely for free if you want that. Now, all of it combined, I wanted to start with this is the first month, or I think I made one video at the end of last month, or it was my 3 weeks. It wasn't even like a whole month of using My Legion Secrets. But now I have a whole entire month of using My Legion Secrets. And even though I'm shooting this video slightly before, about 10 days before I'm actually posting it, it's fine because I don't think there are going to be many changes that are happening, because what I want to share with you, I think works despite, and show you guys the results, whether it's now or later. Like, I think it's enough of data that I have in the last April month, so 21 days of April that I'm actually shooting this video. And I think it's enough of information to give you guys. And also because I'm going to be traveling. So that's why I want to have this video out and done and ready so that I'm able to post it and everything on the day that can, which is basically on the 1st of May that you guys will be watching this video. And so in the next month's update, the rest of the end of the April also, just so that we're congruent, you guys understand what the whole process is, and I just want to share with you the entire journey. I started using My Legion Secrets, just if you guys didn't know, let me go ahead and share my screen in a second. But I want to tell you, I started using My Legion Secrets at the beginning of March, guys. So it's been about almost 2 months, a month and a half, more or less, that I've been using it. And I want to share with you in general what are the results, what's happening. What did I do to get these kind of results, whether this traffic source is worth it or not for you? So let me go ahead and share my screen. Perfect, guys. Here I am on my laptop, and I'm very happy to share with you guys the rest of the information. And I'm just going to jump into it immediately and give you guys a brief introduction about My Legion Secrets, what it is. My Legion Secrets basically is a platform, or is a place where it solves, in my opinion, 2 problems. Is it the best solution to all the problems? Well, it really depends on what kind of journey you are on, what's the focus from your side, and so on and so forth. So let's see. But for me personally, I do have a full-time day job, and I needed a traffic source that I didn't have to go and look for traffic. I needed something that I could tap into every single day, first and foremost, where I don't need to spend time on the skill set of tapping into that traffic generation, right? I am doing traffic generation. I am making these videos. I have free traffic and paid traffic in the background, but I wanted to get access to something that I didn't have to think about first and foremost. So this was the source, which is basically I'm getting 100 leads every day that I can email out every single day. And my whole aim is to get clicks onto those emails, which take them to an affiliate offer. So that's what I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, guys, specifically for My Legion Secrets. That's how I use it. Now, this page will tell you everything you need to know about My Legion Secrets. It's giving you 100 to 200 leads every single day. You get 100 leads every single day until you have 1 referral. Once you do get started, if you want to get started, that is with My Legion Secrets, then and you get a referral under you, then it doubles and it goes to 200 leads every single day. And this is until the threshold is, I think, 200 to 220,000, if I'm not 200, yeah, something like that. 200,000 leads more or less is the threshold. So that's going to last you, at least in my opinion, for around 2 years easily, that you can have this source, take advantage of it, where you don't have to think of, but you know that you're consistently getting it. And this way it builds up a couple of things for me. One, it builds up your leads that you're getting and the sales that you're getting and the proof that you're getting, and you're enjoying the affiliate marketing process. And 2, you are actually using a source that helps you with your skill set, that is email marketing. As an affiliate marketer, I think it's a very important skill set to have, or copyright, because we're using it to send out emails every day. So how much does it cost? Very shortly, I'm going to say this. And if you guys, by the way, if you are interested in My Legion Secrets, I'm going to leave a link to this page in the description of the video in case you want to get started. Okay. I'm not using it as an income source. I do not promote it on this channel as an income source. I am talking purely about the skill sets. But if you obviously do join, it does add to the results that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. And it does add to some extra income coming in for me personally. But that doesn't mean that I rely on it. I don't. Okay. Just for everybody to understand, I do not rely on it. I rely on the leads that come in, but not on the income. So it costs $60 in the first month, and then it costs $30 every single month. So it costs you $30 one time setup, and then $30 for everything else. So that's how the first month is 60, and then the following month is 30, 30, 30, 30. There are some bonuses to it. You can get it if people do join you. It's a recurring payment for yourself. If you get more than 5 people in 7 days, you get $100 bonus. So there are advantages of offering this as an income stream as well. But I personally focus on the leads itself, because if the product is based on leads, I want to make sure that the leads work in order for me to then promote that and suggest it to people, right? So I need to make sure that that's there working for me. So just that's the whole idea of My Legion Secrets. To give you an idea, it's pretty self-explanatory. When you do join My Legion Secrets, there's a quick start video right here. There's online resources right here. So it's pretty easy setup, and you can very easily learn everything. So if you want to get the master swipes, you can get the master swipes. If you want to go to the mailing system, which is what you need to do in the quick start, it will tell you that you can use the mailing system and send an email out every single day. So like I've been doing, just to give you guys a little bit of an idea, I'm going to go to statistics. I'm going to go to the first day that I started sending out emails, which is on the 7th of March, as you guys can see right here. And then I started sending every single day, and that's been going on pretty much on a daily basis. It's about 15 to 20% click-through rate, which is quite good. Some days are better, some days are more. I'm kind of understanding the leads, how it is. So I'm trying to be above 10% and closer to 15% as an average, because I think that's pretty good to have a 15% click-through rate, basically, to get my clicks going. That's how I look at it. And as you guys can see, my focus is to get at least 100 clicks every single day that I send out an email. I'm not reaching there. Some days I do get it. Some days I almost get it. Some days I don't get it. So I want to be consistent in getting at least 100 clicks every single day whenever I send out an email. So that's the whole work that I put in. I come here every morning, I send out an email to the list that keeps growing on a daily basis. So now I have 7,900 people that I've sent out this morning, and tomorrow I will be sending out to 8,100 people. So that keeps on building up in time. That's the whole process behind it. That's how My Legion Secrets is. I'm going to keep it that simple. I want you guys to see the result. Does My Legion Secrets work? There is a Facebook group to My Legion Secrets. So if you do join me, please reach out to me on Facebook, guys, so I can add you to this My Legion Secrets group. The main reason is because I share a lot of tips even in that group itself. But let's go ahead. On My Legion Secrets, what I do is I send, and I'm going to show you guys this in the last email so that you guys can see. Okay, this is the email that I've sent out. And if you can see, it's quite a long email, but here it has a click here to see now. And if you can see down on the screen, it shows you that it is going to a Warrior Plus product. But I'm going to click it so that you guys can see. And it basically goes to a Warrior Plus product, which is affiliate marketing on crack. That's my primary offer personally that I use. Okay, so I talk about that. I'm sharing about that. I have my little new thing that I'm testing out right here, which is basically a picture of myself. If people want to get to my leads, and I have a PS link right here. But this is something I'm testing out. The main thing is for them to click on the product, and it goes to Warrior Plus. So let's go ahead and actually see how my Warrior Plus has been doing in the month of April. So you can see that I've filtered out start date and end date, and I'm also adding a tracking code as MLGS. So you guys can see that it is going to pull up now only MLGS. So it's between April, the dates that I put here, and these are all the dates in April. So far in April, I've made, just with My Legion Secrets as a traffic source, right? So as somebody, the leads that I get from My Legion Secrets, send out an email every day and get results. I've made $217 in commissions just the month of April, and it's not even the whole month. So I'm pretty sure these numbers will be much more, but I just wanted to show you that it's $217 in sales. I'm going to say that again, in sales. So that means people have purchased a product of worth $217. 17. That's 7 sales that I've done this entire month so far, and $200. And in commissions, I've got $126 in commissions for the entire month, or rather for the month until the time I'm shooting this video. So that's just to give you guys an idea of the commissions that I made, but this is purely from my Legion Secrets. So now after the first month, I'm spending $30 a month. So profit, pure profit is 126 minus 30. It's $96 in profit so far. I'm pretty sure that it'll be $100 in profit by the end of the month. At the time of when I'm shooting this video, it's $98 or $90 or whatever in profit that I've got. So $120, $126 in commissions in the month of April. This is just to show you that the traffic is converting. The leads are converting, which is quite nice to see. I personally believe in the traffic source a lot. Additionally to all of this amount right here, so let's say 126, I also want to go and show you guys that in the affiliate section right here, and I'm going to go to commissions, you can see that I have one recurring commission right here, and then one new commission. So I made 3 sales since I've joined, 3 people who have joined me, and I have 1 recurring commission, which means the second payment, the second month of the person has started, and I'm getting that payment as well. So I made $30, and I have also withdrawn $30 from my Legion Secrets, and I got the withdrawal within a few hours. So whether my Legion Secrets can be an income source for you if you want it to be, or if you use the leads to actually get sales in Warrior Plus, in ClickBank or Digistore, or any kind of affiliate marketing program that you're looking at, it is converting. So the leads definitely do convert. What I do want to say is that this is not an income, this is not a traffic source that's going to make you rich, guys. This is a traffic source that can bring you consistency. This is a traffic source that can bring you results. This is a traffic source that actually, in my opinion, is a good funded proposal to have. It starts to generate a cash flow for you, as you can see. And then I personally use that cash flow to then buy other ads. So paid ads like Bing ads, Google ads, even solo ads. Why? So that I keep my traffic growing and my sales growing, so that I can be profitable in my business. But it's a good traffic source. It's not the best traffic source. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's not the best traffic source. It's not the most highest converting traffic source. But imagine if you have a full-time day job, and you have a full-time job, and you come home and you can just spend 5 minutes using a ChatGPT strategy, where you're using ChatGPT to write your emails, edit them a little bit, and then send them out to my Legion Secrets leads every single day. You don't have to think about it. The whole job gets done in 5 minutes, and you make 2 or 3 sales every single month, or sorry, every single week. And even from that, if you think about it, just having that consistency, if you have a recurring offer, so for example, something that pays you $10 a month, $20 a month, $30 a month, whatever it is, if you have that recurring offer that's there, all you need to do is give it time to build up, so that you have enough of recurring payments, so you have at least 100 active members, or whatever the goal that you want is, in order for you to actually see the difference and see the change of your business. Okay, so it is definitely possible to build up an income stream. I think it's a very good starting and beginner friendly traffic source for you to have. And like I said, for me personally, it gives me the opportunity to practice my email marketing skills on a daily basis. So that is the My Legion Secrets review for the month of April. Guys, I know that there's 9 days still left in April, and I will give you guys an update on those extra 9 days whenever I post the following. So in June, when I post the May results, I will be talking about the end of April results as well. It's just how it is. I'm constrained a little bit for time because of the traveling and everything else, but I wanted to make sure that this video was short, and I did post it so that you guys can see that it does convert. If you want to get started with My Legion Secrets, guys, I don't have any bonuses. I just have my guidance. I have my Facebook group. I'm not somebody who is going to give you guys bonuses, because I believe that this channel is teaching you how to build a solid long-term skill sets for an affiliate marketing business. So if you do, I do have a strategy for My Legion Secrets, how to write your emails. That link is in the description of this video. And also the playlist is in the description of this video, so you can check out all my training. I have a lot of information out there on My Legion Secrets. Other than that, if you want to get it as your traffic source, and you feel like you want to join me personally, and you want to follow these videos along the way, I'm always grateful and happy. The link is in the description. Like I said, again, if you don't, that's absolutely fine. I personally use it, and I hope that you enjoyed just the process of emailing your leads every single day. That's what's going to give me the most joy. If you don't join, that's absolutely fine as well. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you next week for another My Legion Secrets training video.